Hi everyone, welcome to EduBridge India Private Limited. I'm Krishna Raj. I've been working here as an assistant technical excellence manager. So today, Lavanya is here with us to share her experience about the course she took as software developer course from the Center Bangalore TC Palya. Hi Lavanya.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, pretty, thank you.
Fine. So Lavanya, first tell me about your education background and your family background.
Yes, so I've been completing my graduation in the year 2019 from Electronics and Communication branch. So soon after my graduation in Hyderabad, I was into a startup company which was related to my field, the electronics field regarding robotics. So there I just worked for 1 year, 3 months regarding some drone project. But when I was working in that company, I was a part of a team in which I was lagging some skills like software skills. See, I was only having full knowledge on my hardware, like which component to select for the project output to come very efficiently, how much power or how much voltage that should have the capacity to give the output. I was familiar. But when coming to the coding field, I was just familiar with this embedded C, but not any other things where, the server, client, all these include. So I was very lagging in that skills, due to which I was feeling little low. So after 1 year, 3 months, due to COVID and because of not having projects, I should have to leave that company. So I left it. Then soon after that, I was like searching for a fresher job. But when I attempted some of the interviews, the exam round and the technical round, I found that okay, I'm not having good skills. So then I started exploring where can I get more skills, quality course. So when I gone through that, one of my friend have suggested me this EduBridge. So when I entered the EduBridge the very first day, I felt okay, this should also be like a normal, training platforms how other people tell. But as 1 month has crossed, I could understand that quality of training what you have provided me in my practical level. I never entered into this practical level of coding. And when because of the testimonials and these activities, every assignments that we used to have every weekend, and you used to give us assistance in live, how are we coding and what are the errors we are coming across, or what are the methodologies we are using. So in that way, most of my I was a centered point that you're using that procedure, you at least know it or not, then okay, I was good at it. Because of those assignments, I could understand that okay, what exactly is this technologies and the software servers or clients. So with this, I finally was completing my course, but meanwhile, there was this recruitment regarding Capgemini. And when we finally attempted that interview course, we got news after 1 week that we were selected. Okay, then I understood. The interviewer, when he asked me questions, I was the way I was confident I was not before. To speak frankly, there were many coaching centers outside, like we call it as J Spiders or Q Spiders and all. I've seen many of my friends from them, but I wasn't really ready to join after seeing the demo also from there. But I don't know what pulled me into this EduBridge. It gave me that spirit. That's good. I really appreciate my trainer and Shaker and Kiran a lot for giving me this spirit by making me a part of this EduBridge. Yes, this
Fine.
comes about my graduation background and then how I entered into this EduBridge.
Thank you, Lavanya. It's good to hear all these things.
you know Electronics people always entering into a software, they always have a back step. Okay, how do they feel changing the stream? But what actually makes them not to go into software the very first is lack of skills, only having the core knowledge. In such times, I would tell that Shekhar sir has he gave me good spirit, like why shouldn't you? And then I was like this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So, how do you think this course has shaped you as a person?
I would tell that it builded me more confidence. A person stays more confident when he has a good learning platform, a support. That learning platform completely gives the skills. With that skills, our confident level starts speaking.
So which part of the course did you find the most interesting?
As I told, the assignment sessions. Generally, assignment always involves in other parts is like they give us assignment, we do and submit it. Only they just see our output. But here it was like we used to do our assignments in live. Like 2-3 members for a batch used to be there, and a person mentoring used to be there. He allowed us to share our screens, and he always was monitoring at what point of level, what are we doing the next point, the next line of the code, how are we going to approach. This way he could help us, like the way you approach is one, but we have many alternates like that. That interactive sessions were good for assignments. That is the most likely part.
Okay, thank you. So how do you find out our learn by yourself module?
Learn by yourself module, in the starting I neglected it actually, but after a week's gone through, I thought that okay, not just by having this live mentoring sessions, we could also make them very useful to build our own self. That was very good, I would say that.
Thank you, Lavanya. And one last, would you recommend EduBridge and this course to your friends and relatives?
Of course, I did it many I did it to many people. I really recommend this.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
See,
Lavanya.
people giving us this much assistance of quality training and support is, I really appreciate that very much, because many people don't show interest in virtual, that okay, what will it be, it's a recording or wall. But I appreciate you all guys for this. I appreciate whole of the EduBridge team.
Thank you so much, Lavanya, for sharing your experience. And we are really happy to know that you are loved the way we coached you and we have mentored you.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Lavanya. Have a great future.
Thank you. All the best for, I hope that many people should take you along the way and improve in their career. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, Lavanya.